like two letters here, and the first one is lam, and second one is here alif. These two letters are connecting each other. They will not keep the same shape. The first shape is short, and the second shape is on top of it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel Quran Learning Zone. Today we will start from the second lesson of Noorani Qaida. This is most important lesson of Noorani Qaida, and in this lesson we will read combined letters. This lesson name is combined letters. And before starting the lesson, I would like to tell you a little bit information about this lesson. In this lesson, we will read different kind of letters here who are connecting each other. You know that in the Quran, every letter are connecting each other. That's why we are reading this type of lesson. And this lesson, you will understand when the single letter connect to the next letter, they will not keep the same shape. They will change the shape. And in this lesson, we will read all the letters individually. Okay, so and now you focus on the first letter, and we will start from here. Now you read with me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. And the first letter is Alif, Alif, and the next one is here Lam, Alif. You can see here, I told you that before, when the single letter connect with the next letter, they will not keep the same shape. You can see here, here is a Lam Alif, like two letters here, and the first one is Lam, and second one is here Alif. These two letters are connecting each other. They will not keep the same shape. The first shape is short, and the second shape is on top of it. Like first is lam and the second shape is alif, and when these two letters are connecting each other, they will not keep the same shape. They will change. Okay, lam alif. Now we will start from here. Lam alif, and the next one is here lam alif. Okay, so also they have a different kind of letters here who have a same sound, but the shape is different. You can see here first one, this one, and see the next one is here again lam alif, and here is again lam alif, and here is lam alif, and here is also same letter, like same sound, but the shape is different. So that's why I told you that before. You listen it very carefully. That is very important lesson. Okay, now we will start from the first lesson, first letter. Now you read with me. Alif, lam, alif, lam, alif. Next one is here. Ba, alif, ba, alif, lam, alif, lam, alif. And the next letter is here. Lam. And the next one is also lam, alif, lam, alif. And the next one is here. Lam, ha, lam, ha. And the next one lam, alif, lam, alif. And now you can see here are three letters. I told you that before. We have a different kinds of letters here. You can see here there are three letters connecting each other. Ba, lam, ba. It is ba, lam, ba, ba, lam, ba. And the next one is here single letter kaf. Again the next letter is single kaf. And the next one is here ba, kaf. And the next one is here kaf ba, kaf ba. And the next one is here kaf alif. The next one also same. Shape is different, but the sound is same. Kaf alif, kaf alif. And the next one is here ba kaf ta, ba kaf ta. And the next one is here ta kaf sa, ta kaf sa. And the next letter is here ba ta sa noon ya. And the next one also two letters here ba alif, noon alif. And the next one is here ta alif, ya alif. And the next one is here sa alif, sa alif. And the next one ba sin, yasin, noon sin. Okay, the next one is here tasin, sasin. And the next one is also here sajim, sajim, taha, taha. And the next one is here noon kha, noon kha. And the next one is here ya ha, ya ha. And the next one is here bajim, bajim. And the next one yamim, yamim. Next one bamim, bamim. Noon mim, noon mim. And the next one is here sa tamim, tamim. Okay, so please you practice your lesson again and again by listening and watching this video. Okay, if you had any question, if you could not understand something, please ask me while you are taking a live class or connecting through the WhatsApp number. Inshallah, I will help you. Okay, Jazakallah, and thank you for watching my video. And also please subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video and share with the other person. So I am here to help you, to help all those who want to learn Quran. Inshallah, they will be able to read the Quran, to recite the Quran after taking the class, and you practice your lesson very carefully. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah Hafiz.